Hey guys, Wes here again with our Nova Scotia adventure. Today it's going to be part 2 of the rope bunk bed update. So all I've done is, since last video, skimmed the log, switched them around. Took a straight spade bit in my brace. Drilled all the holes. Very time consuming. And then got some rope from the dollar store. And you just keep weaving this back and forth. So I'm just gonna finish weaving this rope, and I'll show you the tightening tool I made and how to tighten your ropes up. And the reason I'm doing it this way is I didn't want to leave the backers out in the woods. It's just an invitation for your rodents to move in and build a nest. So this way, when I'm done, it's just going to be covered with a sheet, and then my ground pad, and then I'll sleep on top of all that, my sleeping bag. So I'll finish this up and I'll be right back. So I've already got a few tightened. Decided to charge up my camera. Here's my tightening tool. Just got a 7/8 hole in it and a 3/8 hole there with a slit. And the smallest tire iron I've ever seen. I don't even know what it's for. So the 2 pegs allows you to do this by yourself. That's what I do. Stick that in there. Give it an old yank. Stick my pin in. Give it a tap. And that makes that one nice and tight. And all you do is just keep on working your rope back and forth like that. I work the slack out as I go, makes tightening a little easier. we don't drop our hammer. So I'm not going to be able to show you how much flex there is in it when you lie on it. Right now it's not really held together. I'm sure the rope would hold it together enough for a test lay down, but I don't really have everything in. I just want to do a quick video here showing you how this is made. I think it's a really neat idea. Simple. Pretty simple way to make your own bed for a cabin. You just work your way back and forth, then all the way across. When you're done, tie your slack off, and your bed should be good. So for the starting one, I just got it tied off there. There it is. I think that looks pretty neat. I also like the way the rope comes along the side there like that, kind of looks like stitching. I'm just going to finish this one up, do the holes, and there'll be an update of what it's going to look like later on. I've been debating on once it's all done, dried, think about staining it. And just to say thanks for watching this episode, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and thanks for the thumbs up and the comments. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.